Hello, medical chemistry period 5. This video is for if you were unable to log into your Zoom class today. Know that the error was not your fault. It was my fault for sending you the wrong link, and I apologize for that. And you only need to watch this video if you weren't in the period 5 class today or you didn't log in later at the end of period 5 and I didn't show you the walkthrough. So I'm just going to give you an overview of the basics you missed for the first day of class, right? So in your Parent Square email post that I sent you, you should find the correct link now. I have triple checked it, and everything else we're doing from this point is just what you missed for today. So know that next week, I'm going to create a filter through Zoom where you have to log in using your SLUSD accounts. Now, if you don't have a Chrome that's working, or if you're using someone else's personal computer, please email me and let me know so that I can add you and I won't block you from a meeting. Okay, so just to show you how to log in using your Zoom SLUSD account first, you're going to go to Zoom, zoom.us, zoom.us, and then just click sign in. So when you sign in, it's going to ask you to input an email address or a password. So instead of inputting your personal email, you're going to input your SLUSD email and your SLUSD Gmail password, right? Another way you can sign in is if you scroll down where it says sign in with Google, go ahead and click that. And, so mine automatically signed me into my SLUSD accounts, right? So just be aware that if you have a Zoom that's like already from a personal account, it might log you into that one, in which case you need to sign out, and log into your SLUSD one. But for this week, I'm not going to create a filter, so you should be able to log in no matter what. And just in case, period 5, I'm going to show you the Zoom link again. So it's right here. If I accidentally sent the wrong one again, please let me know, or go ahead and pause this video and type this out and double check that it works. All right, so when you log in, to check if it's correct, I'm gonna join without video. Double check, yes, this is medical chemistry, period 5 Zoom. This is the link here. My apologies. Totally my fault. Okay, so this is the correct link. I should hopefully be able to see all of you tomorrow. All right. Okay, so now let's talk about what websites I want you to load onto your browser. So these are the common sites that we'll use in class. So I'm going to open up a new tab here, and I'm going to type in nearpod.com. So nearpod.com/students. All right, so I've also linked this in your email, but when you get here, it's going to ask you for a code, right? Because we're not in class right now, you don't need to do anything with this other than to bookmark this page. So what I want you to do is on your Chrome browser, go ahead and click on the star on the right-hand side of the URL. So when you click on the star, it's going to say the name, Nearpod, and then bookmarks bar. And then you're going to click done. So I have a lot of bookmarks, but if you don't see like Nearpod down here underneath your web browser URL, go ahead and click on where these 3 dots are. on the far right-hand side and scroll down to where it says Bookmarks. And then go ahead and select Show Bookmark bar, right? And then on the bottom part, it should pop up with the Nearpod link. This way you don't need to type in nearpod.com/student every single time we start a class, right? You can just click on that bookmark and you should be good to go. I have a lot of bookmarks, but mine is down here now. Okay, so that's the first thing. Secondly, I also want you to log in to Schoology. So to do that, you're going to type in slusd.schoology, so .com. slusd.schoology.com. I've also linked this in the email that I posted and sent to you, right? But it's slusd.schoology.com. And then click enter. If you do not automatically get logged in, your login name is going to be your SLUSD Gmail and your SLUSD Gmail password, right? And that should get you in. If you still can't get in with that SLUSD Gmail, please send me an email to let me know so I can let IT know and get that fixed for you. Okay, so once you're logged in, your courses might look a little bit different from mine, right? Because I'm guessing you probably have other classes besides medical chemistry. But I want you to find your Quant-Period 5 medical chemistry. All right, so when you find that, you're going to click onto the Quant-Period 5 medical chemistry. It should be like red in the background. Right. So on Schoology, on this site, I'm going to link everything that you need. So any slides that you missed for the day, any homework assignments, help videos, so on and so forth, right? So if you notice that there are a couple of images up here. So if you click on this image, medical chemistry syllabus, it will take you to my course syllabus, right? And if this is confusing to you, how do you navigate this? Go ahead and click on this red play button. And I have a YouTube video tutorial there that will walk you through how to use this syllabus, right? But basically everything is clickable. And then you can view how I grade, how I take attendance, so on and so forth, right? If you have any questions, a lot of you have done this already. You can send me a message on Instagram by clicking here. And then you can also send me a message through my Gmail by clicking here on the Gmail icon. And then lastly, this is the link to our Zoom class. I'm going to double check this again tonight to make sure that it goes to the appropriate class. I'm pretty positive it does because I checked it earlier today, but I'm going to triple check this time so we don't have issues again, right? Okay, so this main page is mainly a lot of what we need if you have general day-to-day questions, right? If you scroll down slightly, you will find our week 1 folder. So this is where I'm going to house all the slides and homework assignments that I give you, right? So I'm going to click on this tiny little arrow on the left-hand side to show a drop-down menu. And I've currently only published August 17, 2020, Monday class materials, right? You probably won't see this until tomorrow because I have not published this link yet. So for those of you that missed class today, go ahead and click on where it says August 17, Monday class materials. Okay. So once you do so, you should see 2 things. The first thing is homework. The second thing is August 17 slides. So these are the slides that I went over today in class. Feel free to preview them, but you don't have to because I'm giving you the video of everything that we're doing right now. So go ahead right now and click on where it says Homework-MedChem Student Survey. This is your homework for tonight. Okay, so there are 3 steps to your homework. The first is to complete the medical chemistry student survey before class tomorrow. So if I click on this link here, this will take you to the survey that you need to complete. It's just a get to know you kind of thing. And then secondly, if you know someone who needs a Chromebook, for example, you've gotten a Chromebook from the school, but maybe your friend doesn't have a Chromebook or a hotspot, please help them out by filling out this form so that the school knows who needs a Chromebook and who still needs a hotspot. All right. And then thirdly, if you've never used Zoom before, I've made a video tutorial that will walk you through all the buttons and features that you can use in the class to help you navigate class together. Right. So mainly, medical chemistry student survey is your homework. This video has just gone over everything you missed in class today, and I have fixed all the links, so hopefully you're able to log into class tomorrow. Thank you again for your patience with me as we navigate distance learning together. I hope to see you tomorrow at 11 a.m. All right, I appreciate y'all. Have a good one.